Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about how to install VS Code on Windows operating system. How to install VS Code on Windows operating system. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our today's session. Okay, before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of why we are preferring VS Code on when compared to other softwares. Okay, why we are preferring VS Code when compared to other applications. Okay, so first of all, Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight, and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. That means that VS Code is a free. Free means there is no need to buy a license or no need to purchase the software. We can directly or freely download and install the VS Code. And it's a lightweight means it requires very less RAM. Okay, it requires very less hardware resources. Okay, so here for installing and downloading the VS Code, 4 GB RAM and i3 processor fifth generation or some other generation is enough to install. But I prefer at least you do have i5 processor with the latest generation like 11th or 13th generations like that. And at least having 8 GB of RAM. Okay. If I prefer these, and it's better to have 16 GB RAM with the i5 and 13 generation or late any latest i series processor and with the latest generations. Okay, so that for doing multitask, that is very easy. Okay, if you have very less hardware resources, then the system may struck. But VS Code is very lightweight only. But we can use VS Code very in an free manner. But if you open any other software with the VS Code, that may require very high hardware resources. So at that time, the system may struck. Okay. So that I'm preferring at least having 8 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM is also enough, but at least having 8 GB RAM is mandate. I prefer 8 GB RAM. Okay. Uh, if you have 16 GB RAM or any higher than 8 GB RAM, it's also good to go. Okay. Uh, and next, it's an open source code editor. So what is open source means? We can simply edit the source code. What is source code? Source code means which is used for developing an application, developing an software. Okay, you can simply edit the source code according to your requirement, and you can use accordingly. Uh, that is open source. And it is developed by Microsoft. Okay, this Windows operating system is also developed by Microsoft only, but Microsoft Windows operating system is not a free version. We need to pay for using that Windows operating system. Okay, if you are not paying anything for using Windows operating system means that is not an licensed version. Okay. And next, it supports multiple operating systems. Okay. It supports multiple operating systems like not only for Windows, it is also used for Mac OS and Linux also. Okay. Not only for Windows and it is also for we can also use for Mac OS and Linux also. And VS Code is designed to versatile and use. user friendly, offering features such as. So here VS Code is designed to be versatile. What is versatile? Versatile means you can use any other programming language. It is not only limited to Python, it is not only limited to JavaScript, or it is not only limited to some other particular programming language. Okay, you can use any programming language in VS Code, but and it is an user friendly. So what is user friendly means the options which was provided by the VS Code is very easily understand by the human. Okay. Like here I'm going to show you the VS Code because I had already installed the VS Code in my mission. So here uh see the options like a file, edit, selection. So these are all, look like a very normal English keywords. Okay, it's look like a very normal words. Everyone can understand. Who are having at least basic knowledge in English language, they can easily understand these options under this VS Code. No need to bother about the what are the operations. What are the options available and how to use those options or buttons like that. Okay, it is very freely and user friendly application. Okay, and offering features such as it offers some of the features such as syntax highlighting and auto completion. What is syntax highlightation means? Here, see here, open chat, select a language or fill with a template like that. Options are there, right? So those options are highlighted when compared to normal text like control plus I or control plus KM like that. These are normal text, but these open chat, select language, those are highlighted words. Okay, so if you if you write the any script also, it will highlight the that particular programming keywords or program words. Okay, that is nothing but in syntax highlighting. And then auto completion. Auto completion is nothing but for suppose now I am going to import. What is import and all? I will tell you later. I will tell you later, or you can uh, watch our upcoming sessions. You may know what is this import and all. Oh, okay. So here, so here I typed only IMP, but it is showing the remaining three letters ORT. So don't need to enter every every keyword uh, fully. We can simply enter the just starting of the letters. Okay, starting letters, then it will automatically suggest that remaining word, and we can simply press the tab and then automatically it will enter. Okay, that is nothing but an auto completion. And also here I am going to print. So print, I typed only PRIN but not T. So but it is suggesting, so at the time I don't need to enter the T. I can simply tap on uh, tab, then it will automatically enter. That is nothing but an auto completion. Okay, I enhances code readability and writing efficiency. So these, if the syntax is related means then uh, everyone can easily understand what is the keyword, what is the normal text, and also it will some leave a go give a or it will beautify the script. Okay, syntax highlighting will beautify the or enhances the script so that everyone can easily understand. And then integrated debugging. So here we can write the code and edit code, debug code, and run the code, whatever we want we can do. We can do everything in this VS code only. Okay. So that is nothing but an integration. So here we can write this is the coding snippet, right? So here we can write the code, whatever code we want to write we can write, and if you want to any editing then we can do editing also. and we can do enhancements also for the given script. And the next one is built-in Git integration. So some of the version control systems like Git, Bitbucket, okay, remaining things, okay, Jenkins, like that. So these are concentrate version control, and these can be integrated with the VS Code. Okay, we can so that we can use very easy manner. And then extensibility is nothing but an adding the extensions to the VS Code. Why we need to add extensions means, sometimes if you were trying to write in normal programs, then we don't need to add extensions for that VS Code. But if you want to do some particular tasks, then it's better to install the extensions. Then you are able to perform your task very easily. Okay, it will reduce the burden of writing lengthy code like that. Okay, or it will help us to write a or build a some good script. Okay, those extensions will helpful for some of the functionalities. Okay, and then steps to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. So how to install VS Code? Just go through the Chrome browser, and then here we can simply enter VS Code, install Windows. Okay, then the first option will come here. We can simply go through that link. Then you may have the options like Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, so here for you Windows user, we can click on Windows, and Linux users, they can click on these. And also for Mac users, they can click on this to download. Okay, so, and this is the official website of VS Code to download the VS Code software. And then after downloading the this software, then you will have to go through your the default store I mean default storage location of the new files, or you can simply go to the downloads in your PC. Then it will automatically show the file which is not installed data, and then you can simply click on I mean uh, those file. Okay, so here after downloading the VS Code from here, then they need to click on the this file from your downloads or default storage location folder. Then it will automatically uh, sorry, wait for a second. Okay, so then it will automatically show a pop-up like this. So in this pop-up, we you need to select on either accept or I do not accept. But here it's better to go. It's mandatory to use I accept the agreement. Then only it will just give me a second. It will allow you to for the next step. Okay, and then select the additional tasks. Okay, after clicking the next, you may have this screen. In this screen you need to select these two options. That is one for that is register code as editor for supported file types, and then add to path also. And if you want the VS Code application in your desktop, then click on the this option. Is these are the normal options only. It is not that much a bigger rocket science. Okay, so here you can click on this create a desktop icon, then click on next. Okay, and then just give me a second. After selecting these two options, uh, now the setup is ready to install. Then click on install simply. uh, Here we are having only backend cancel and install options only, so we can click simply on install, and then it will start installing. Okay, after the installation setup for the Visual Studio Code is finished, so then it will show a window like this. Okay, second. So here we can click on the launch Visual Studio Code, or if you want to run the program, or if you want to use the VS Code right now, or else you can simply click on finish. Now it is required. Then it will automatically, it will automatically installed. Okay. So here after the after that previous step, then the Visual Studio Code application was will be launched. Then you can start using it. Okay. So for using it, first you need to go for a file option. Then you can select the file type, whether it is a Python file or a JavaScript file or anything. If the VS Code is for you are using VS Code is for Python file, then the extension will be a .py. Okay, I will show you here also. Okay, here the file option is there. If you click on here, then the new file. Whenever you want to create a new Python script or any other script, then you need to click on a new file. Okay, after clicking on new file, it will see here. It will show you. It will show like this. Then here you can choose the file type which you want to do. Okay, and then so here the installation process will be completed. Okay, so okay, now what we're going to do is after successful installation of VS Code, then you can check by writing the simple code. Okay, so here I'm going to write a simple code for whether it is installed or not properly, to know whether it is installed or not properly. Okay, so here now I'm taking one variable a, sorry, a equal to, and then b equal to 40. Okay, a and b as are variables. Okay, now after ab you need to go for take another variable, and you can simply write c equal to a plus b. Now I want to perform additional operation. For that purpose only I am adding this a plus b. Okay. And then print of c. Okay. Then let's say see the output. So it is 50. Okay, the program is perfectly worked. Okay, it's a small program only just for checking the VS Code. I have written like this. You can also check do the same. Okay. So that you are able to understand the VS Code is properly installed or not. Properly installed or not. Okay. Uh, Before closing the session, let's have an overview of how to install a VS Code. Just a quick review. Okay. So here, first of all, just you need to go for Chrome and then search for install VS Code on Windows machine. You can also click like this. Then automatically it will show the options like this. Then you can able to click on any one of these, and then for Windows users you need to click on Windows only. Okay. For do the same for other operating system users also. Okay, and then here, wait for a second. Then the downloaded file will be look like this. Then you can simply click on double tap on that one. Then it will show a pop-up like I accept or I do not accept. Then you click on I accept and then next, and you can select these two options and next. Wait for a second. Give me a second. So here you can also click the other options, but these two are mandatory as per my knowledge. Okay. uh Next. Ready to install a pop-up will show. So window will appear. Then you can click on install. Then the installation process will start, and it will take some time to complete install the VS Code. And then we can click on the launch Visual Studio Code and finish. Then it will automatically open. Okay, so you can start using it by opening that one. You can be able to see the options. Then from that options, you can write a script, or you can use whatever you want. Okay. Uh, I hope this video is very helpful for you. Uh, if you enjoy the video, smash that like button. Uh, Want to stay updated with our latest content? Hit subscribe. Got any questions or doubts? Drop them in the comments. We are here to help. And know someone who is struggling to install VS Code? Then share this video and make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. See you in next one.